Hey guys, what's up? Joe here. Gonna check out a Sudoku today by Marty Sears called A Fistful of Circles. Normal Sudoku rules apply. That's 1 to 9 in every column, row, and 3 by 3. A circle digit indicates how many circles contain that digit. Digits along a purple line do not repeat and form a consecutive sequence, but can be arranged in any order. Adjacent digits along a green line must have a difference of at least 5. The purple are sometimes called rinban that form a consecutive sequence. They can be in any order. Green line must have a difference of at least 5. Those are also sometimes called German whisper. Digits along a red line must alternate between odd and even. Those are sometimes called parity lines, I believe. So the first thing, one thing I'll just say real quick is that these 16 digits around this ring here, I think they call that the Phistful ring, and it basically in any Sudoku, these digits are always going to be somewhere in the 2 by 2 corners of the puzzle. So in these 4 boxes, all of the numbers will be somewhere around this ring. So with that in mind, and also on the circles, so what we'll do first is we'll just count them up. So we have 4, 8, 12, 15, 19, 23, 27, 30. We have 30 circles. So and we have no circles in this middle grid, or in this middle box. So 9 cannot be in a circle. Now if we had the digits 1 through 7 in the circles, we could only get to 28, because that is what you get if you add up 1 through 7. So we must have an 8, firstly, and that would be, if we had every single digit, it would be 36. So we have to get rid of 6 digits somewhere, which can be the number 6 itself, or 5 1, or 5 2, or 4 2, or 1 2 3. So they have to have, every single box has to have an 8. So 8 will somewhere go on that line, somewhere on this line, somewhere here, somewhere here. Now, and then it'll go in the 2 by, although it can't go in that one, but it'll go in all these 2 by 2 areas around the outside. Now, also, there's only going to be one, since nothing can go here basically because there's no circles. 7 can only miss one more of these boxes. So every other box except for one of these outside ones will have a 7 in the circles as well. But on these rim bands, we know that they have to be on there, because even if 9 was on there, which 9, it's 6, 7, 8, because 9 cannot be in a circle. But even if 9 was on this line with 8, we would know it would have to still have at least 7, is what I was going to say. Now, on this whisper, okay, these are all high. I'm just gonna mark them. And these. On this one, it is going to be 1 high and 1 low. Well, the only high left is 9. And the 8, well, let's just go ahead and mark the 8s here. And 8 does not go in that one. And then we know that this is low, because we have all 4 of our high digits in this 3x3 box. And 5 can never be on a German whisper because it has to differ by 5. You can't use 0 or 10 because they are not valid. So we know this is high. We know this one is low. These 2 are high. These are 6, 7, 9. These are 1, 2, 3, 4. There's going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4 somewhere here as well. Okay. One of these is going to be a 9. If 9 went here, well, yeah, let's do that. If 9 went here, nine can't go on this rim band. Because it would need an 8. So 9 would have to go there. 9 would have to go there. Nine would have to go here, so it would have to go here. It would have to go down here somewhere, so it would have to go here. And that's broke, because 9 can't go here. So 9 has to go here. Which is blocking this column. So 9 has to go here. 9 has to go here. It can go on the red line, it's fine. Because that's a parity line. It just alternates between odd and even. 9 now goes here though. It's the only spot left for it, as 9 can't be in a circle. 9 now goes up here. It can't be on the rim band and it can't be here. So we get that it's here. And we'll just mark all those as high. This is low. It's gonna be a 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, no, sorry. That's, well, it just is even, but we do still know it's low, because 6, 8 are already on this line here. So I almost goofed up my colors there on the line. German whisper here is the low alternation of high-low. Red is just odd even. Hmm. So we know these. We know this line here, this purple line. At maximum, it has 7, 6, 5, 4. I don't know if this will help us, but 4 was the lowest on that list. If we start at 1, 4 is going to be the highest on that list. So a 4 is somewhere along here, but I don't know if that's noteworthy at this point. But we found all our highs in this column. Once we know where 5 is, then all the rest will be low. Same with this box. 5 could most definitely be there though. This may be a 1, 2, 3, 4. I know that's not really saying much. I mean, I could say it could be a 2, 3, 4, 5 as well. Or 3, 4, 5, 6. Or 4, 5, 6, 7. Although this is not high, it is a 5 or lower. Can go in any of those. It can go in any of those. Okay. Oh, what about this one? I don't think I know yet. I know where 2 of the highs are here. Can this be a 6? Suppose it could. It'd be nice to get 8 off of there. Oh, yeah. It's not certain that 8 goes on here, so I can't be certain that 7 goes on here. If I can roll 8 out of that one though, then I am certain that 7 goes on here. Okay. Hairy line. The 6 and 8 are taken. This could just as easily be odd. These 2 are going to be the same. If they are odd, well, I don't have enough info for that. These are both odd or even. Same with the alternate. If 9 is here, this is even. This would be even. This would be odd. Okay. 7 goes up in this corner. 6 goes up in this corner. Does 6 go in a... Oh yes, 6 goes in a circle. Now we have to start ruling out either 5, 1 4-2, or 1-2-3. Those are now our options. If this was 6, both sides of it would be 1. I don't see an issue with that at the moment. It would put 1 here on this parity. This would be even. Seems fine. Okay. This was 9. I wonder, well, that would be 9. Doesn't get, 9 can't go on here. 9 can only go one of those 3, which I think all is good and well. If this was 9, this would be low. Can this be a high number? Sure. I think so. Can I tell which one of these are low? I don't think so, not yet. So there's 1, 2, possibly 3. Well, I can say that 6 doesn't go in all of these outside ones, because if it did, well, no, I can't say that. I can say that it can't go in all 4 of them, because if it did go in all 4 of them, then there would have to be 4 in this ring here. Oh, no, I can't. Oh, yeah, I can say that. Or can I? Yeah. Although it could have 3. It could be in all. No, it can't. It can't be in all 4 of them, because it would have 8 in the inner ring. Or, I mean, it would have 4 in the inner ring, and in total it would have 8. Well, this is not high. Is it 5? Is this number 5? Can this number be 5? Can that number be 5? I mean, I don't see why it couldn't be a 5. There's too much open yet to know that, I think, at this moment. This is going to be either 2 odds and an even, or the opposite. Okay, where do we go from here? This is 9. What if this is 9? And it's not telling me nothing. How about, these are all high. What am I doing? Why are you not marking those? Oh no, I don't know if they're all high though. So that could be one of them. This could end up being a low number or a 5. Don't know that they're all high. I know at least 2 are high. Where does a 5 go in here? Was it important? Was it an important discovery that 4 goes on this line? How do I make that work for me? I do not know. Rinband can't have a 9. Can't have an 8. Could it be a 7-6? If it was a 7-6, what would happen? There's a 6 other digits under it. Can't troubleshoot them all. Well, if it was a 7, it would have to go down here, first off. And then I think it would have to go in there, because that would be the second cell that it was missing. So it'd be 1, 2, and then it would miss one here as well. So the 7 cannot go on this line. What about a 6? If a 6 went on this line, I think it would be the same thing. It would need to get here. It's already missed 2. It would miss another here. That would be 3. That would be the maximum it could miss. But I think it would still be okay. Yeah, it would still be okay if it got that one. So 6 could go on this line or under. If I could roll 6 off of here, I would know that the highs go elsewhere. Or how do I put 5 in a circle? Or how do I keep 1, 2, and 3 out of a circle? This is going to be 2 highs at least. Oh no, it's 3 highs in this. This is all 4 highs here. All 4 highs are done. There's a 5 and... Wait, what do I have here? Out of those boxes, there's a 5 and 4 lows somewhere. This box here can be more than just 6, 7 as well. I have to remember that. That was throwing me off. So all the highs are placed. There's a 5 and 4 lows in this 3x3. So where can the 5 not go? I think it can literally go anywhere at the moment. I need to find what other numbers do not go in the circles. Now I'm wondering if 1 goes in a circle. Because if 1 goes in a circle, first off, which one? Second off, it would have to go in one of these 2 spots. If 1 went in any circle, it would have to go in one of these 2 spots. So 1, for sure, does not go in these. Does that help me? No. Not in the slightest. What else can go? Six and 7. Can these be the high? Oh, and then this purple line cutting through. This can't be high. Highest this could be is 5. But that doesn't necessarily matter. It could go 5, 6, 7, 8, for instance. Or no, it couldn't do that. But it could go up to 7. 5, 7, 4, 6. Something like that. Okay. Some good thonks. Nothing came of it, but good thonks. There's a low somewhere here. Let's just mark these up. There's a high and a low there. There's at least one of each here. Well, there's going to be 2 of one of them. Is it 2 lows or is it 2 highs? And what about these boxes? This is it. What is this? This either has a 5, or else it's both low or both high. We're doing highs and lows at the moment on colors. If the 5 went here, the 5 would go there. The 5 then couldn't be on the rim band. It would go there. It's already missing 3, so it can only miss 1 more circle. Which will be here, so it will have to be in a circle everywhere else. Wait, it's already missing. Wait, if the 5 went here, let's do this again. There's a 5 1 here. It's missing 1, 2. Yeah, and it would have to go there because it can't go on the rim band again. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's missing 4, so it would have to go in every other circle now. And it can't go here, so the 5 does not go there. So this is either, well, well, all I can say is that the 5 doesn't go there. The 5 does go in one of these places, but that's quite a bit. If the 5 went here, the 5 went there. Well, let's do this. If the 5 went here, it would go in one of these two. And it would go in one of these two. I think if it went in that one, though, because it's missing 4 at the moment. 1, 2, 3. It couldn't be in a circle, so it would have to be in this line. It couldn't be on the rin band again. It would have to be in this line. It would have to be here. And it would have to be here or here, which I think would be fine. So 5 would work. Pretty restricted. And if 5 are... Yeah, I can't rule 5 out of there. I wanted to rule it out of here. And then at least I would know it went in this row. If I rule it out of... I'd have to do 3 tests. I wouldn't really be helping any. Because then I still have 3 areas. So... 5 went there. 5 would go there. What if 5 did go in the circle? It's already missing 3. This would be the 4th one it missed. So it'd have to go in every other circle. And it couldn't. But all that means is that if 5 does go here, it goes here. That's all that means. I mean, 6 has to go up here somewhere. There also has to be either one more high on this green or 2 low. The 9 has to go in one of these. Does it go there on the line? I can't really prove it. I don't know how many highs are in this column. Can the 5 go there? It's already missing 1, 2, 3, 4. So the most it could get is 2, 3, 4. No, it could have one of these, couldn't it? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it could get to 5. It can be that one. It could be a 5. Mm. Five goes in one of these. If 5 went on this rin band, 5 cannot go here. Can 5 go here? Can 5 go here? I think that's going to be a good question. It would have to go here. So we've already proven it does not go there. So it would have to go in here, then it would have to have 5 circles. But it would have to go down here. So it's missing 1, 2. Can't go on the line. 3, 4. So but it would need more. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. 5 cannot go there. So 5 goes in this column. I think 5 could have went on the rin band though. I can't really rule it out of either. Or did I rule it out of that rin band? I cannot remember. If it was, 5 would go here. No. Oh. Am I forgetting to allow these? No, I wasn't. 5 could go there. It could go up here anywhere. It can't go here though. So it goes in one of those. It would have to pick up all of the 5. I would have to go there. I don't think it can pick up 5 circles, so it would have to be out of a circle, because it would only have 1, 2, 3 if it was here. So it would have to go like this so far. Could not be in a circle, so it would go here, and it would go here, here. It seems like it would be okay for it to be on that rin band. Okay, so is so 5 would work there. It's 5. I imagine it would work the same there. It would be down here. It would already be missing 4 squares in this world. And what's to say it doesn't go in here though? Like, why am I... Oh, because it would have to go on the green. So it does only go here or here. I guess I'm saying, does 5 go in a circle, aren't I? If it goes here, it doesn't. If it goes here, can it go in a circle? And I think the answer is going to be no. In which case we'll know that 5 and 1 are the ones that are left out of the circles. So this is already 4. It's already 4 cells. It needs to be in every other cell. And so 5 does not go in a circle. So it's 5 and 1, along with 9, that do not go in a circle. That is 15, and that gives us a total of 30, which is how many circles we have. So 1, 5, and 9 are not in circles. Every other number will be in a circle. Which is what? Which is 4, 3, 2. Yeah? 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2. There. This must be 8, 7, 6. This cannot be 8. This is a 2, 3, or 4. This still depends on if there's too high or too low. Oh, wait. Oh, wait a minute. Let's back this up a little bit. What did I think here? Oh, yeah. That's valid. Because 4, 3, and 2 are not... Oh, no, that could be 2, 3, 4. No, it can't. No, it can't. Don't be silly. Wait, can it? Where is 7 missing? 7 does have to miss 2 cells. So far it's missing 1, obvious one. It has to miss another one somewhere. I guess I can't rule out 2, 3, 4 from being the consecutives. Oh man. Alright, what if this cell did not have... That would put 7 up here. If this cell... Okay, yeah, let's try it. Oh, immediately it's already missing another one. So that can't be. 7 does have to be in here. And therefore, so does 6. Because 4, 3, 2 is obviously not consecutive with any of those. Alright, so that is a 2, 3, or 4. These are all high though. 5 goes in one of 2 places. Now there could still be... This is only 3 numbers. But there could still be a 2, 3, 4. Or, well, there will be, actually. There'll be a 2, 3, or 4 up in this circle. Or up in this 2 by 2. Now, in the whisper line, the 4 can't go on it, but the 4 could go there. In fact, doesn't that mean, other than this, There's gonna be like a free spot for somebody. Which is gonna be the 2, isn't it? No, not necessarily. No. Probably more likely to be the 3. No, that's not correct either. I don't know. If there's, say there's 2 4s out here, there has to be 2 4s inside on this ring. Well, that's 4, but there is a free spot here. Oh man, this puzzle's pretty rough, I will say. Okay. So 5 does not go in the circles. So 5 also goes in one of these. And neither does 1. That is interesting there, isn't it? Because if 5 goes on the line, well, if 1 goes on the line, obviously it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And these are all going to be blue. Would that do anything? I don't think so. This is low though, because I found that 5 did not go there. So this is 1, 2, 3, or 4, which it could definitely be any of. Now, does it make the jump toward high with a 5? It would have to be, well, it could be here as well. This is so complex. Getting a lot of 5s up in through here. I think the number that goes in these I don't know, I feel like they have to be odd. Like 3 7. I feel like they have to be 3 7. I think this has to be 3. And the reason I'm thinking that is because if there's two 3s out here, there has to be 2 3s in this ring. And 1 would go there, and 1 would go like there, or wherever. If it was 7, then 7 would have to go in all 4 of them. and then there would be 3 here in the circles, and the 4th one would be there. Alternatively, oh, it's gonna be 3 here, isn't it? Because 3 could do 2 in the circles, and then 1 there. But 7 cannot go that way, because oh, well, actually, no, it could. It can go in all 4 of these. Yeah, 7 could go in all 4 of those around this ring. But anyway, I really think these are going to be 3-7. And I might be wrong on that, but I feel really strongly for it. And this is not 7, because you got 6, 7, 8 looking at it. Now, we'll find out super quick if I'm wrong on that, probably. But I feel strongly about it. 7 goes up here, and 8 doesn't necessarily go on the line. Two would work with those, so I can't rule that out. Now, 7 has also missed its 2 boxes though, so 7 does have to go in both of these, and 7 has to go in this as well. Now, there is 2 highs on this line, so they are here. This one is low, so these are neither 7 or 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So okay, what else do we have? 6. How many is 6 missed? 6 is gonna go in 3 in the middle. It can't go in this one. It has to go in one of these. It can go in any of them though. Or I mean, it's already in 2 of them on the outside. It's on 2 of them in the inside. It needs 1 more inside, which is in this line, and then 1 more outside, which is one of these 2. But it could go in either at the moment. Oh, this is not 6 now. I missed that while ago. This is now... Wait, is this a legitimate 1-5 pair? I don't think so. No, it's not. But this is low now. By Sudoku. can this be? This can still be 4. It can still be 2. It can still be pretty much everything. I think we'll wait. Nine can't go on this. Oh, the 5 is in one of those two. These two must be low. This is low. Let me finish my coloring around here. A low goes up in here somewhere. This is a 1. Oh, no, maybe not. What is this? It's not a 1. 1 does not go in the thing. It can be a 2, 4, can't be 5, can't be 6, 7, 8, 9. It's a 2 or a 4 only. Whatever this is, 1 or 5, it goes here. That's 5, boom, boom, boom. Like such. In some fashion. I don't see an issue with that. What if it's 1? Oh, I don't know if that would be... I can't necessarily say that's going to be the same if it's 1. No, maybe I could. That can't... Oh, this cannot be 1. Oh, and it can't be 4. I need to finish my marks when I start them. And it can't be 3. This is a 2. Because it's surrounded by 7 and 8. It's the only thing it can be. Two does go in a circle. It doesn't have to necessarily point to this one though. By any means, because it only needs 1 more. Can go in any of them. We still gotta pick up enough for our friend 4. I assume this is gonna be 1 for it. 2, 4, and what else is still going? Like a couple more from 6, I believe. 1, 2. I need 1 more from 6. Okay, well this one can't be 2. So it's either 4 or 6 goes here. I guess that would be the same here, which it can't be 6. So this is 4. Am I doing that right? Yes, because they see 7, 8, sees 2, What about 3? I forgot 3 down here, didn't I? Oh, wait, repeat that one. What? Let's see. Okay. Alright, so it's 2, 3, or 4. And this is 2, 3, or 4. And it sees both. But this one was or 6 as well. So this is still 4. Because it's 3, 4, or 6. It's 2, 3, 4, 6. And it sees 2, 3, and 6. So it is 4. Okay. So this cannot be 2 now because it can't have 2 on the inside, or else it will have 2 on the outside. And then it will be 4. So it is 4. These are not. 3. I guess 3 could probably still go there. I might wait on that a minute. I think... Do we actually have a 1-5 combo now? I think we do. No, 2 can go at the top, can it? Yeah, I can. This is a 1, 2, 5. It's unfortunate, I think. Is this a 1, 2, 3, 5 then? Okay. This is a 1, 2, 5 then. Alright. Okay, right. So... Oh, it was... So 4 goes up here with these guys. 4, 6, 8. Now, 4 can go in either one of these still. It's got a plethora of choice. This is looking like it's gonna be like a 1, 2, 3, 4 or something like that, isn't it? 4 goes on one more outside, and it has to be this one. Now, interestingly enough, this has 2 evens on it. It must have another odd. And we know that 3... Oh, look here. No. Nope. What we're gonna say, though, is that we know that 3 goes in 2 cells on the outside, and then 1 on the inside, and then here's its extra right here in this corner. So it can still be on here. It can still be... Oh, it can't be here now. This is a 6. This has to have a 3 on it. Therefore, this is... yes. Yes. Wait. The 3 could go up here. It can't go with a set. No, it could not go up. Oh, it could go right here. The 3 could go right here. No, it couldn't, because then 3 would have to go on this line. And it can't. 3 does go here. 3 goes over in this column. Not necessarily here, but it could. Okay. These alternate. I don't think that resolves that though yet. So these are 1, 2, 5, 9. And I think they're all, yeah. That's a 1, 2, 5. 1, 5, 9 in the column. So this is just a 1. This is a 1 here. 5 can't go here, 9 can't go here. And all that's left is 1, 5, 9. Wait, where's the 3 at? There's 4 boxes. The 3 goes up in here somewhere. And it goes in one of these 2 spots, actually. 1, 3, 5, 9. Yeah. And this one is going acrossways, row-wise, is 1, 2, 5. This has a low. Oh, wait. Can't really say that yet. Alright, we have 3 lows in this column. What else? What else do we got? I don't think this can be. Wait, how many 4s do we have? Our 4s are done. Our 3s. Our 3s are done. 2s are. Where's the other 2 though? 2 has to go up in here. With a 6, 7, 8. So obviously the 2 has to go on the line with a 7, 8. So 2 goes in the middle. And this has to be the 6. So let's color these. These are all high. This is now a 2. Give us our even. 2 goes down here for sure. That's a 1, 5, that's a 1, 3, 1, 3, 5. 4 goes here. Okay. 6 goes over here somewhere. These are not 7, 8. Does a 5 go on here? 3, 7, 8. 8 goes in the middle, doesn't it? Surrounded by odd. Alright, we're getting there, we're getting there. This is a 1, 3, 5. So is this gonna be 3, 4, 5, 6? I can't help but wonder. Actually, a 2 can't go on the line. a 7 cannot go on the line. So it is going to be 3, 4, 5, 6. A 6 cannot go here, cannot go here, cannot. It is 3, 4, 5, 6. And I do believe this is the only way we can achieve that, just by process of elimination there. Oops, was that a... Yeah, that was a real mark. These are a 1, 2 now. These are a 1, 5. Now we have our 5 here. 5 goes in one of two places. That 5, 9. This is now a 7, 3. 3 goes in the middle. It's not a 7. Could still be a 9, even though there's a 9 over there, right here. 5 is in one of those two. Was this only a 3 now? It is a low number, as the other 4 highs are taken. 5, we can... Were we making 5 high? I think those were the first 5s we got. That feels like a treat. We'll just mark 5s. Let's do them green, maybe. So, what's left here? It could be a 2 still, I think. Yeah, I believe so. Or it could be a 1, I suppose. 1, 2, 3 is what's left. Let's just mark them all. Let's not make a mistake this late in the game. It's a parity, so this can't be a 2. Or no, it has to be the 2. Wait. No, it doesn't. If this was the 1, these would both have to be 2. This does have to be the 2. This has to be odd. This is the 2. This goes with a 1 or 4. That 5. So, 1 or 4. That's all that's left in that column. 2 goes up here. It doesn't go in the middle though. There's a 7-8 combo in this row. What else do we have? Getting close. 3 goes on the bottom, got those marked. Let me have a look at these red lines, make it kind of hard to see. If this was 8, still has an odd on both sides. Still has an even on both sides. Okay. I think that's alright for now. 4. Need to do more work on some 5s, I guess. 5 goes in one of these 2 spots. Let's continue marking our smalls here. This is a small. Okay. Did that give us anything that we didn't already know? 1, 2, 3. This only gets one more high in it.
Do I want to know by Arctic Monkeys? What's your process of putting together a cover like
I
that?
think it has to have a high down here.
Just like when something's so
Oh no, it
strong
doesn't.
like that, just kind of grab
It could be a 3,
the
4.
top line and just
Oh no,
Yeah.
See if
no,
anything pops
there's
out. And
an 8
sorry,
has to be here.
Arctic fans, if you really, really
So it's gonna have
it's kind of a departure, but
it's gonna have a high-low right there,
you know that's what this kind of thing's about.
That's exactly what this
right?
kind of thing is for, and that
It's already got the 5 in the row, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4 highs.
But that makes it so
This is
much
low,
like more exciting. I
and
think.
that's gonna
They're very
resolve our
distinct
9.
for completely different reasons.
It's gonna give us a low here
Thank you guys.
for sure, and a high here for sure. It's gonna put a 9 down here. This is no longer 9. Okay. Three's running out of... maybe not. Okay. What else? This is one of those that's gonna stay hard all the way to the end, I think. This is a 1 or 4. We have a combo in that row now. This is a 1. How did I get a 1 or a 4? Could be a 3 too. One, 3, 4, 5. Could be a 1. Okay. Let's see. This is... oh, we didn't mark any of these here. Ah, that's better. It's gonna be a high here. None of these are high. None of these are high. So either both of these selected cells are high. Very well could be. What about these as far as evens and odds? It could still work if this was 4, 6. Can 4, 6 work here? Yeah, 4 could be at top, 6 at bottom. Can't be ruled out yet. This cannot be 9, cannot be 8, cannot be 7, cannot be... it could be 6, I think. Oh, what about this? This is even. This cannot be. This is odd. This must be even. 2, 6, or 8. Nope, not 8. 2 or 6. If this was 6, this would be 1. If it's 9, it would be 2. This would be 1. This cannot be 1 on the line. This could be 1, or this could be 1. That's it. Okay, come on. What else do we have here? little bit of Sudoku. Eights, fours, threes, and then C yet. Seven goes here. 6 eights. This doesn't have no helper with lines or anything. This could be anything. This is just odd. 9. And 5. 9 could go here. If 9 went here, 9 went there. 9 went there. 5 would go there. 2 would go there. 2 would go there. 1 would go there. 9 would go there. I think if 9 went there, it would go there anyway. 9 went here, it would go there. There. 9 went here, it would go there. And there. That's not too weird. If 5 went here, could it go with 6? I think so. 5 went here, it would go there. That doesn't tell me nothing. 3, 4. What am I meant to see here? What about this way? There's only one even. Okay. Come on. It's right in front of your eyes. Let's do it. Three. We have all our outsides done yet. 2, 2. 3, 3. 3 will be over here somewhere. Maybe we could do a 4. No. Let's do a 3. 3 there, 3 there. 3 there. 3 there. That's all good. This would be odd. These two would be even. I think that would be okay. This would be odd. Something to do with this red square here. 4, 8, 3, 7. If 4 went in this column, 4 would go there. So? Okay, what about this rim band? 987 all rolled out. One, 2. is ruled out. 1, 2, 3 is ruled out. So it's 4, 5, 6. A 5 must go on it. There we go. This is 9. This is 5. This is... Well, it's still even. Anyway, this is high. This is green. Five definitely goes on that line. I said there we go, but... Okay, 9 goes here. And 9 goes here. Whatever goes here, goes here. So it's 1, 2. This might not necessarily be true. It's basically anything in the whatever's missing, which is 1, 2, 4, 6. I think. Okay. Come on, we can do more. This is 2, that's 2. This would be 2. If this is 4, it's going to be a 4 down here. If 4 was here, 4 cannot go there, can it? It's sitting next to evens only. 8 cannot go here. It's sitting next to evens only above it. This is a 3. This is a 4-7 pair now, so that's an 8. And this is a 7. This is a 4. Nice. Now 4, 5 go on this line, don't they? Could 4 go here? No. It's above in the column up there. Now this 4, 5, what'd that take out? Nothing? One, 2. 1, 2, 6. Okay. Okay. Fine, you'd be like that. This is now a 6 though. This is now an 8. 7. Now we're getting there somewhat. We have a 1, 4 pair and a 3, 5 pair, which don't necessarily help. 1, 4 pair in this row as well. Is any of these things making a combo with stuff above it? Don't think so. This is low. Now, do we have any help here? If these were even, it'd have to be a 4, 6. That would be a 7. That would be a 5. That would be a 1. That'd be a 2, 1, 2, 6. I think that would be okay. What do we have? Do we just we mark what we're missing in, what would be a good one? Maybe this one. What is in this column missing? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8. Get the 2 out of there. Oh my gosh. Where do we look? Am I missing a line of some sort? Whatever this is there. And goes up here. Whatever this is one of these two.
Watch another Like-a version, or subscribe to be the first to see them every week.
Come on. Three. 8. Those are 7. Any of those. Bottom 2 are 6. That looks fine. What do we have here? What is gonna break this apart? These are just consecutive. It doesn't matter. What do you got? I'd rather have a digit. Okay, I know it won't help, but it sure would make me feel better. Oh, maybe it will. No. Doubt it. Yeah. I've already got everything marked. Hey, it's worth it. Okay, what the heck? What is going on here? One, two, three. This has 3 lows in the column. Can only have one more low. That low is 2. It goes in one of those. Well, it's 1 as well. Can one go here? No, one cannot go here. One can go here though, which is fine, the same place as 2. So this is a 1, 2, 5, 6. So this is a 7. Oh my gosh. Wow. So this is not odd. This is a 3. This is even 4 or 6. Oh, 4 only. This is odd. Oh, it can't be 1. It's 5 only. And this is even, which is gonna be 2. Oh, it can't be 2. It's to the right. Which is 6 then. That's it. And now I think that will probably finish out the rest here, won't it? Hopefully. This was a toughie. A Fistful of Circles by Marty Sears. No doubt. Fish shaking in the air. Oh no. Gonna go all the way back to there. Yeah. Okay. Alright. I think this is somewhere. I think I probably messed up around there. Alright, 7 can't go in either of those. So I think I missed this top one for the 7. Probably. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not sure what I did here. But this one 5. Alright, that's good. That's good. These 2 down here. That should be all it can be. Yeah. 2, 6. Can this be 1? No, it has to be even. Can't be 8, right. Okay. So this one is 1, 2, can't be 3, can't be 4, 5, 7. No, it can't be 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 5 only. This one's 1, can't be 3, can't be 4, 5, 7, 8. Could have been a 6 too, I think. But anyway, 1, 2, 5, 6, right there. 1, 2, 5, 6. Yeah, so this is 7 or 8. I goofed there. Well. I could say I problem solved with a 7. And I know it's not 7. Because it caused no solution in this cell. So this is odd. 1, 5, 7. This is even. 4, 6. This is odd. Can it be 1? Yes, I think. 1, 3, 5, 7. Can be like all of them. Is that even gonna help? Okay, now we just sort out where everything goes. We have a 1, 2, 5 here, which is gonna give our 6 there. It's gonna give us that. It's gonna start sorting this out. Hopefully we get there now. So 1, 5. This is now our 2. Oh, this can't be a 7 because of the 7-8 combo left and right of it in the circles. This is a 4. 4 goes here. 6 there. This is a 3. This will be a 7. This will be an 8. This is gonna be a 7. It's gonna be a 3. I think that is gonna do it for us. Very tough puzzle, A Fistful of Circles by Marty Sears. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.